Welcome, my friends. If you are over 60, I want you to listen carefully, because tonight, before you go to bed, the one spoonful you choose to eat could decide whether your muscles stay strong or slowly waste away. You see, after the age of 60, our bodies naturally lose muscle mass, a condition called sarcopenia. This isn't just about looking weaker. It affects how easily you walk, whether you can climb stairs, carry groceries, or even get up from a chair without help. And here's the truth. Losing too much muscle increases the risk of falls, fractures, and even hospital visits. But the good news is this. You can fight back, and one simple spoonful at night can make a powerful difference. In this video, we're going to talk about what to eat before bed to protect your muscles, what common foods are secretly hurting your body as you age, and the healthier swaps you can start tonight.
So, why does muscle loss speed up after we turn 60? The first reason is protein absorption. As we age, our muscles don't respond to protein as efficiently as they used to. That means you actually need a little more protein now than when you were younger to get the same effect. The second reason is hormonal changes. Testosterone, growth hormone, and estrogen, all of these decline with age, making it harder to repair and build muscle. And the third reason is lifestyle. Many older adults move less, eat lighter meals, and sometimes skip foods that are essential for strength because they're worried about digestion or calories. Put these together, and it's like your body is slowly withdrawing from its muscle savings account every single night. But with the right bedtime snack, you can make a deposit back into that account. Here's something most people don't know. Your body repairs itself while you sleep. That's when muscles rebuild, your brain detoxifies, and your cells renew themselves. But if you go to bed without giving your body the right nutrients, your muscles have nothing to work with. Imagine trying to repair a house with no tools or materials. That's exactly what happens if you don't eat smart before bedtime. Research shows that a spoonful of slow-digesting protein at night, something that releases amino acids gradually, can help prevent muscle breakdown while you sleep and actually support growth, even in older adults. So what is this one spoon before bed? It's not a magic pill, and it's not an expensive supplement. The answer is a spoonful of high-protein, natural foods that your body can slowly digest overnight. For example, Greek yogurt. Just one spoon provides protein and calcium, both essential for aging muscles and bones. Cottage cheese. This is one of the best bedtime foods because it contains casein protein, which digests slowly and feeds your muscles all night long. Peanut butter or almond butter. A single spoon gives you healthy fats and protein, helping your body stay nourished through the night. These simple options may sound small, but they can make a huge difference in keeping your muscles strong after 60.